Hello, I'm Anasofia,
And I'm Enrique.
and today we are making this video to bake a delicious homemade cake.
We will start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
But since we are using chemistry terms, we will convert it to Kelvin.
The temperature will be at 449.81 Kelvin.
Now, here are the ingredients we will be using. 1 cup of butter, 1 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 4 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa, 1/4 cup of hot water,
2/3 cup chocolate syrup, 2 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 container of sour cream, and 1/2 cup of buttermilk.
To begin, add 2 1/2 cups of flour into a large bowl. Next, in a second bowl, melt the butter till soft and add 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 cups of brown sugar.
Keep beating the butter and add 4 egg yolks, one at a time. In another small bowl, stir together 2 tablespoons of cocoa and 1/4 cup of hot water until cocoa is dissolved. Then stir 2/3 cup of chocolate syrup into it and set aside.
In another separate bowl, stir together 1 container of sour cream into the flour and add the butter.
Mix thoroughly and add the cocoa mix.
Beat the egg whites rapidly and add 1/3 of it into the batter.
Add rest of the ingredients in the bowl, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 cup of buttermilk.
Mix the batter one more time to make sure it is all blended together. Then grease a pan lightly, flour it lightly, and then time the oven to 18 to 20 minutes.
Now, since we are involving chemistry into this, how does this relate into a gas law?
This action of baking a cake relates to Charles' law, which states,
As temperature increases, volume has to increase as well, but pressure remains the same.
when the temperature of the oven slowly increases, it causes molecular agitation within the batter. This causes the molecules to heat up and make the batter rise.
Also, the liquid which we put in turns to steam, a gas, and begins to expand.
When the timer is done, take out your cake carefully and let it cool down.
You can also add cream cheese frosting for your cake when it has cooled down.